Hey everybody, let me show you what's going on over here today. Got a little iPhone SE right here that customer brought in. Said the battery was dying fast, so he figured it was a bad battery. So he wanted to just change it. Actually, the story's a little bit longer than that. He actually bought the battery and took it to Best Buy, and then Best Buy told him that the battery was bad. Maybe because it wasn't charging properly. Well, the bottom line is it comes over here with the same thing. We need a battery. So we always ask if you need a bad battery, why, and kind of get a little bit more information, because sometimes it's not a bad battery. Sometimes it could be your charge port has a problem. It could be the cable that you're using with a problem. It could be the chips on the board, the charging ICs, integrated chips on the board. So this is an example of that. We put a new battery on. It is charging and everything looks good. You would say, okay, we're good to go with your new battery. But you need to take a look at the charge rate. So this is a little device, like 15 bucks on Amazon, eBay, what have you. And the top number there is 5 volts. That's the voltage that's going in. And the bottom one is the one that tells you how much amps, the phone is drawing. So it should not be at that number. That bottom number, could be, 1 amp, 1.5, 1.2, 0.80, anything in that ballpark. And we see here that it's not pulling the proper amperage. It's actually all over the place. And the phone is at 40%. So, if it's at 100%, it's probably gonna, draw less on there. So here, we could put this battery, is going to continue to have the same problems. At some point, it actually goes to zero, like right there, with the 0. So this thing's messed up. Actually, it turned off. There you go. So the phone even restarted. So not a bad battery. Probably a bad charging chips on the board. And that's the deal. So we'll charge them a diagnostic charge. And this is an older phone, an SE1, so that could be repaired. But financially, it really is not going to make sense to get into that repair with such an old phone. And that's what's going on today at PC Network.